The VCK Cold Press Juicer is designed with an ultra-slow masticating technology that preserves a high percentage of nutrients and natural flavors, making it an excellent choice for health enthusiasts. With a large 5.12-inch feed chute, this juicer easily accommodates whole fruits and vegetables, significantly reducing preparation time and enhancing convenience. Its dual-strainer anti-clog system ensures a high juice yield with minimal foam, efficiently extracting juice from even tough produce like leafy greens and ginger. The juicer is user-friendly, featuring a 3-step quick assembly and easy cleaning process, with most parts being dishwasher safe, which makes maintenance hassle-free. Constructed with commercial-grade heavy-duty materials, this juicer is equipped with a quiet 250-watt motor, making it robust enough for daily use in busy households. Safety is prioritized with an innovative lock mechanism that stops the machine when opened, ensuring it is safe for families with children and elderly members.